Okay, what is this? This supposedly is a Singapore-style hawker's food court type deal that's going up right next to Lumphini Park. Okay. Yeah, it's just right next to Lumphini Park, right on the side of it, right on the major thoroughfare over there. 5-minute walk to Siloam. Okay, I guess this is supposed to be cheap eats. I don't know, or to attract tourists. I haven't figured it out. But a lot of Thai stuff, more than Singaporean stuff, I would say. But kind of like Singapore style, I guess. You would find out in the hoods of Singapore, you would find something like this. But I don't know, it doesn't really look like any of those hawker food courts I've eaten at Singapore. And I used to go there all the time, you know. But what can I tell you? This is what it is. They have everything nicely displayed. I guess you could get a couple of things here at a reasonable price. And I guess the way prices are going skyrocketing all over, this may be a good bet. Right next to Lumphini Park. Right, you can't miss it. Okay, I can't pronounce the Thai names too well, so we're just going to skip the Thai names. Just ask people, where's the food court? Yeah, you'll find it. They have all kinds, mostly local people here. I didn't see any tourists. I didn't recognize anybody who looked like a tourist or something. But that's what this is, a food court. Okay, just for the record, Bangkok is experiencing a really bad heat every day. 96, 97, 98, 99 Fahrenheit. Okay, it's a heat wave. So these people are sitting out in the heat. It's probably about 8:30 in the morning, and I purposely got here early to avoid the crowds. Okay, so let's turn around and go back the other way and see the couple of things that we missed. Okay, for more great information, be sure to like and subscribe. Now, here's the address of this place.